I was handling MBA Finance papers. The experience in Surana was very wonderful with me, along with the students, the culture of Surana, the bright students, those who have achieved and all. And today's program, it was like for a change. Usually the colleges will do the alumni of the students, but this is only the different vacation where I have attended alumni for faculty. So today's panel discussion on nation building, the cultural program which has happened, all the things was very good. It was a really very good journey with Surana over a 11 years time period. So thanks for the opportunity for calling the old faculty for the meet. I was really happy to meet all the old colleagues, students and all. Thank you so much. Namaste.